Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. So if you have NVIDIA graphics card installed on your Windows 11 system, then this video is for you. Here in this video, we are going to discuss how we can install or update NVIDIA graphics card driver on Windows 11. So that's been said, let's get started. Let me tell you, if you have any graphics related issue on your NVIDIA system, then you can simply download and install NVIDIA GeForce Experience to fix all the graphics card related issue. Here is how you can download and install NVIDIA GeForce Experience. For that, simply open your browser and visit this link, nvidia.com GeForce Experience download. Don't worry about this link, I'll put this link in the description box. From here you can download the latest version of NVIDIA GeForce Experience. Here you can check the version number and here you will find the latest release date of NVIDIA GeForce Experience. Simply click on this download button and it will download NVIDIA GeForce Experience installer package. Once the download process complete, simply open this installer file. Here you will find NVIDIA GeForce installer window. Let me minimize the browser. Now read the license agreement, then click on agree and install. And it will install NVIDIA GeForce Experience. After the installation process has been completed, you have to simply create a NVIDIA account. To create a NVIDIA account, you can simply log in with Google, Discord, Facebook and Apple ID. So let me log in with Google. Once you had logged in with your NVIDIA account, here you will find a tutorial. You can simply start the tutorial or you can simply click on skip button. So let me click on skip button. Now to update your NVIDIA graphics card driver, simply click on this drivers option and here click on check for update button. Here you should get the latest version of NVIDIA GeForce graphics card driver. Click the download button to download the latest version of graphics card driver. Once the download process complete, here you will find express installation and custom installation. Simply click on custom installation. Here you can select the graphics card driver component. Once done, click on install button. Now it will start the installation process. Wait until the installation process completes. All our NVIDIA graphics card driver has been installed. Now to apply the changes, simply click on restart now button. Once the restart process has been completed, you are good to go. So that's it. This is how you can install or update NVIDIA graphics card driver on Windows 11. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.